whatever we've seen up till now is phenomenal, right? As I said, we are like full of that intensity, that angst. It's in all of us. Talk to us about these action sequences.
Devara is, I've been, when Karan sir and Apurva sir and Anil sir, the three mascots of Devara, the three musketeers as well. When they stepped in, Shiva, when he narrated the script to them, and when they saw a few visuals of the movie, I was really shocked seeing their reactions. And that's when I came to know that, this movie will definitely work. This movie is, I would call it an action drama. It is extremely high on action. Right. Saif sir would definitely agree with me. There was some physically strenuous action sequence we both have been part of. Right. It is definitely high on action. Peter Hines, then we had Anil Arasu, and then especially we had Solomon, who's worked for RRR as well, the National Award winner. He has actually extensively worked on the overwater and the underwater sequences of Devara. And we've shot for about 38 odd days underwater and about close to 60 odd days overwater. So that itself was a chunk of 100 days to 80 to 100 days. So it is phenomenal action you probably haven't seen before. And the kind of water interactions, the kind of CGIs we've blended into those action sequences are phenomenal. So Devara is very high on action, and I would just can't wait for the world to see it.
I'm sure, sir, we're going to love it. Ek baar zordar taaliyan for this amazing team, ladies and gentlemen. Okay.
SBI IRCTC క్రెడిట్ కార్డ్ కి చాలా బెనిఫిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఈ కార్డ్ ని యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకుని 1750 రూపీస్ ఎర్న్ చేయొచ్చు. అండ్ ఈ కార్డ్ యూజ్ చేసి IRCTC యాప్ లో కానీ వెబ్సైట్ లో కానీ టికెట్స్ బుక్ చేస్తే 350 రూపీస్ ఆఫ్ వస్తుంది. ఓన్లీ IRCTC యాప్ లో మాత్రమే బుక్ చేస్తే 500 రూపీస్ అమెజాన్ గిఫ్ట్ కార్డ్. ఆల్సో ప్రతి ఆన్లైన్ స్పెండింగ్ మీద 10x రివార్డ్ పాయింట్స్, 4 కాంప్లిమెంటరీ రైల్వే లాంజ్ యాక్సెస్ ని కూడా మనం ఎంజాయ్ చేయొచ్చు. సో లేట్ చేయకుండా కింద లింక్ ని క్లిక్ చేసి వెంటనే అప్లై చేయండి.